How are you? How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I am fine. Thank you so much for having me here.
I'm also great. Thanks for asking. So, we are meeting very first time, right? So, could you please
Yes,
introduce yourself?
thank you. Yes, my name is Anju Chaurasia. I am connecting you from Noida. By profession, I am a teacher. Uh, and if I talk about my personal life, I am mother of two, and simultaneously, I am running my YouTube channel where I used to post content related to spoken English and communication skills. If I talk about my hobbies, I love connecting different kind of people. So whenever I get time, I used to try to contact new people so that I can do the this kind of video conversation and post on my channel.
Okay, we are on the same page, and I am very glad to hear about you because I am also a teacher in a private sector in a private school also. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done masters in English literature and B.Ed honors and CTET qualified also. And in 2000, from 2014, I have been teaching in the teaching field, and I am teaching journey going on smoothly. But after getting married, I have to take some pause for 4 or 5 years. After 5 years, I again rejoined my teaching, and 6 months ago I started my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel name is Monica Gupta, and I am enhancing and working on my communication skills right now. And I upload my daily videos, shorts like short videos and long videos both. And whenever I get time, I really love to connect different kind of people, right? So this is all about me. Thanks for asking.
Yeah, very similar. Whenever I see to any teacher, like it's very difficult, like playing multiple role. Being a teacher is a huge responsibility, anybody's shoulder that we play, and after that we have our personal life too. Being a woman, we have the duties to perform every day, so it's very difficult, and still we are like following our passion. We are very passionate to learning this language, and we are YouTuber, so many things to do.
Yeah, there are so
I
many
don't think
things.
so.
And
It's
yes, yes, plethora
yeah.
the options we have, and we have to carry out our life also, our personal things also. We have to see everything. Our kids also we have to manage every time. So after
Yeah.
all this busy schedule, we have to take out some time for our personality development as well, right? So, which subject do you teach, ma'am?
I'm also a pre-primary teacher, so I used to teach all the subject. I would say that recently, I am on also break that I have toddler one. So right now I'm not teaching any school. I took a break, and yes, once my baby will also go school, and I'll get the time, and I'll continue my career.
Okay, okay. So now you are not teaching anywhere right now, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Right now I'm not teaching. Yeah.
okay, okay. So how many kids do you have?
So whenever I have two kids.
Okay, okay. So both are younger.
But I do, yeah, yes, my daughter is 10 years old and my son is 4 years old. So
Okay,
I'm hoping that within 2 or 3 years, I'll get free and I'll can continue with my career. Meanwhile, I am taking some classes related to spoken English. I used to train people. So whoever are struggling to build their communication skills. So
yes,
when I
yes.
get time, I used to take class.
Okay. So you carry or you take some classes also. You give some classes like spoken classes, right?
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
this is my
If
oh, this
someone
is
is
also. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
This
Hmm.
is also in my case
If
when
someone is
when
on beginner
my
level.
son was
Okay.
a toddler at that time. I was not able to attend any kind of job or any school.
Hmm.
So that's why I also provided people like spoken classes and home tuition also. But now I am able
Hmm.
to doing working, and I start my working like from this year, and next year. Last year, last year I was working as a KBS teacher, as a contractual teacher. I
Okay.
appointed for a few of months because this is the contract basis job.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
my
I know.
experience was excuse me, my experience was good at that time in KBS also, because this was my first time to teach in KBS, because they are the actually central government related schools, so they
Yeah.
are good at actually in every aspect. And we have benefited some kind of benefited in our teaching life also. And most of the thing is the salary package is good in that school.
Good. Yes. Yes. That's why
Yes.
I was actually I want to tell you that if you are teaching in a private sector, you are not getting a good salary package. Like whatever you are putting the efforts, you are getting only, I would say, that 50% of your hard work. But if you talk about the government teaching or central government, that you get the good amounts, that definitely keep you motivate towards your work.
Yes, yes. But in a private sector, there are benefits also, because in if we talk about government sector, no, government sector's salary package is good, really good. But experience, if I talk about like a experience field, so we have a good experience from the private sector. We can get good experience, because everything we have to do by our own, like practically. And in the government
Yeah.
we have some kind of less opportunities, because there are a lot of work to do. But although we have some kind of relaxation in government sector, but in
Hmm.
the private sector we cannot say that we have to sit very nicely and lazily. We have to do by hook or by crook. We have to do.
Yeah, that's the reason we get lots of experience during the private teaching. Because when you are a private teacher, at that time you should put your 100% by heart and soul. You need to work hard and you give your 100%. If you will not enhance your teaching skill every year, you can say, then you will like you will always have the doubt, whether I'll continue the next year or not. But if you talk about the government teaching, somehow people have in their mind that my job is fixed, I'm not going to go anywhere, whether I do work or don't do work. It always have in their mind. So this is the only reason why people are avoiding government school and going for a private school.
Yes, yes.
If we talk about the children.
Yeah, although salary package is not good in private sector, even we have to do a lot of working hard in every aspect, like exam regarding, like syllabus regarding. We have to complete the
Yeah.
syllabus. A lot of syllabus and plethora's chapters are there. Like, but we have no good salary package because of
Yes.
private sector. There are so many schools, so you can see, and there are
And
unemployment
I don't know
also there.
why.
Yes.
Yeah. And I don't know why, because if we talk about the private sector, fees are too high. Still, they are not paying their teachers.
Yes, yes.
I have a regret.
They
I
don't
have
want to
regret that
pay, actually.
I.
They earn more and more from the children, from parents also,
Mm,
and their
yes.
infrastructure is so good. But if uh, come to the point like paying salary for the teachers, there is no money for the school management, right?
Yeah. So I vividly remember that when I was working, so one day I was very upset because like my junior had just recently joined the school and she got good salary from me. So I went to my principal. I asked him whether you increase my salary or I want to quit this job. So only the very less amount. It was not like that a very huge amount, but I was upset that my juniors are getting better than me. Sometimes you like you realize that it happens. That
Yes,
was
yes, yes.
in my ego. Yes,
Hmm.
why it is so?
Hmm.
I'm giving my 100%. I am a good
Yes.
teacher. I'm not getting any negative, bad, you can say, responses from my parents, from my students. So why?
Yes, yes, yes.
And the
These things.
principal
Hmm.
said to me that, ma'am, if you are not satisfied, you can quit this job. So this kind of blunders are going on in schools, private schools, for the money, shake of money. And you think that if a teacher quit the job between the sessions, so how the children education will get effect? But they don't think about anything. They're just thinking
And
about the
teachers,
money. So
teachers lacking of money and lackness of actually salary package. They don't want to work hard with children more and more. And
yes,
principal and management says that every time to the teachers that you have to do active every time with the children. You do
yes,
like realistic. You have to do like a realistic environment. You should go through realistic environment for the teaching method, like na we should go to the like for example, we have to go to the garden to the children, like a pre-primary. If I talk about pre-primary
yes,
children,
yes, yes,
we have
yes.
to go
Show them
like a real
everything.
environment. We have to
Real.
give them
Hmm.
as a explain any kind of things or chapter. So we are ready. We teachers are always ready to do work hard.
Yeah,
But if comes to the salary, they have no any kind of like na compromisation. And management
yeah.
cannot do any kind of compromise with the with the teacher. But actually, what should we have to? This is the
So
condition of our India. Unemployment
yes.
is there.
So
Good.
actually, yeah, like with the starting of my career, I was not a teacher. So teacher was like just fallen in my place because I was not working and I'm kind of very passionate towards my work. I never wanted to be a just a homemaker. I want to do something in my life. So when I every like this is the story of every married girl, I would say. So when I got married, I shifted Noida, and here I have seen the lots of schools around me. And earlier I was working in a corporate company. So I was getting good salary package. My career was on peak. At that time I got married. So I left my job because it was very difficult for me to travel from Noida to Delhi. So I left my job. And due to the some responsibility that you are a daughter-in-law and you need to perform lot, so I left my job. I was not able to manage my job and my career and my family. I left it. So when I was sitting 1 year, like I was not doing anything, I was sitting idle at home. So at that time I was feeling like depression situation. I was not satisfied. I was not happy. So my husband asked me, if you want, you can try in teaching line so that you can get time for yourself, even you can work as
Yes,
well.
yes. It is a
So
manageable
I said,
job.
okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I said okay. So I have started teaching from like you can say preschool, but teaching to like preschool, like teaching to a very younger children under 5 years, it was most difficult. You can teach like 8th, 10th, 12th very easily, but it was very difficult. So I asked my husband, it is not my cup of tea. I can't teach them. So yes, so at during that time I did NPTT, like NPTT nursery teachers training. I did that. Then I have started teaching, and I got the passion like from inside me. Yes, my teacher skills is calling me. I can work. Then I have started teaching. But after working 2 or 3 years, my husband asked me, stop working. Why are you putting so much efforts and you are not getting? So this
Yeah,
is how the things
salary was
were
not
going
good, na,
on.
at that time.
Yeah, yeah. So during the COVID, I left my job. Finally, I left my job. I have started giving. I have teached. Even I have taught some online platform, because during that time there was lots of opportunity where you can teach online. And after that, I got like blessed with second baby. So completely, I was on break. I left the job, but now I can say that the situation is stable. And from last before 6 months ago, I have started my YouTube channel, and I am little bit active on social media, I would say, and I
Yeah.
have good number of
I
followers
watched
on
your video,
Facebook.
your short videos, and you explain very well,
Okay,
nicely. I watched your short videos and long videos as well, and likewise, my page is also we are on the same page. My condition is also as at that time 5 years ago when I started my after getting married, I would be start my career again, but the circumstances not come with me actually. So many things are there now after long marriage,
yes.
and you have a lot of responsibilities, like in a if you live in a joint family, so there are too much responsibilities, and I am a actually eldest daughter-in-law in my home. So uh, regarding this
Okay.
also, responsibilities are not behind of you. So I have to be choose my YouTube channel, like now, why are you sitting lazily? You have to do something particular, or something do good for your like a confabulation career, or you working your communication skills if you are sitting at home, like and since childhood this is my passion also, that English communication and good communicator, be a good fluent speaker. This is my dream. And when in academics, when I was my intermediate class, I couldn't able to do this kind of things, like proper communication skills. I don't have Android mobile at that time, because we have
Mm.
like now financial things, financial problems a lot at that time, and we have to focus on our studies also, because the parents says that now you have
Yeah, in our 90s, yeah,
yeah.
the kids
In
were not
90s,
allowed to go.
yeah, yes. There are no kind of facilities, and on
No, no, no.
literally parents would be very strict at that time. At my time also,
Yeah.
at your time, because everything.
Hmm.
But now children be, children like na become a very stubborn. Like
Yeah.
they have to like one thing. If they ask, if they said that mama, you just give me this gift or this kind of toy, so we have to purchase them,
Yes.
whether the condition is
Anyhow.
good under in our favor, but we have to purchase them, because
Yes,
they are very
yes.
stubborn now. And coming
I
generation,
got my first phone after getting a job.
yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
So I started my now 2025. I thought and I resolved that I have to do something for enhancing my communication skills. And I saw many YouTubers and their videos. How can they talk? Or especially homemakers, they are take out some time for their busy schedule, right? So how can I not do this? So I started my
Yes.
channel, and for enhancing communication skills. And by and by I start to come taking sessions, different YouTubers, so that I completely get rid of this kind of fumbleness when I fumbled while speaking in front of people. So when in the month of February I went to the interview for KBS, 2 or 3 times I faced interviews without any fumbleness, and I am very glad now, because of YouTube. I am not getting any kind of purpose, earning purpose, but yes, this is my personal experience that I have get a lot of improvement in my communication from channel and from many other people also for connecting, and consistency matters a lot. Really, I would say
Yeah.
consistency and practice, daily practice, regular taking sessions. Whether you are not good at a grammar, not good at actually grammar is not fully we can say na important, or like so many times people says that grammar is important for speaking or communication skills. So I said no, grammar is not very essential, but yeah, you have to clear your basics for communication skills. So what would you say
Definitely,
to
this is.
motivate you
Hmm.
for YouTube channel for making this kind over this language?
Yeah, definitely. I'll give you the glance of my journey as well. So I have never found any struggle to communicate others. I have done also master in English. So my subject was English language. But at that time, I was not aware about it. I was not speaking English as I belong a very small town. So when I got the chance to give the interview on like my college campus, so I went for interview and I failed because I was not able to introduce myself in English. So I went back and I asked my teacher that why it happened. I felt very bad actually. So my teacher gave me advice that these kind of question interviewer will ask you and you just get ready with that. So as we are like I was on learning mode, I was a student, so I like learned ratification. I learned all the question and I went back and I cracked the interview. This is how my journey has started. And I have started and slowly engaged me with the environment, and I was in the process of client servicing department, so I got the chance to speak more and more people every day. And this is how I have improved my communication skill, because basic was clear in schools, but there was a problem while speaking, so I got the chance and I have improved. So I have worked 7 years in a corporate companies. At that time, I was a good and fluent speaker. I was able to know how to give the presentation. There was no hesitation. I was, you can say, charismatic communicator and a fluent speaker. There was no struggle because nobody interrupted me while I was talking. Ma'am, you are speaking wrong. Because at that time,
Yes.
I'm talking about the 2008, 9, 10. During that time, if someone is speaking in English, that was a big
Big
thing.
thing. Yes, yes.
Nowadays it's just normal that people
It's a
are
normal.
speaking. It's normal.
Because
So
day
this
by
is
day
how.
people, yeah, day by day competition becoming very high. Like
Yeah.
YouTubers also, people connected to each other every day. And this is, and they are struggling their life, they are practicing, they are learning, and they are having a good knowledge. But at that time when you, as you said, 2008 and 9, when at that time
Yeah.
we, if we spoke in English, that
Yeah.
was a
Yeah.
miracle. That was a miracle in
Yeah.
family. So family members said that your English was good.
Yes. 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 Very true. So when I took the break after getting married, so my daughter was growing. So I was always passionate that my like children's speaking skills should be good. So I was searching for any institute which can teach my daughter spoken English. At that time, what happened? I was aware and I was able to speak, but I was not able how to train younger children to speak this language. So during that time, I enrolled my child in an institute for a spoken English. But due to when I have seen some classes, tutor was not teaching in a good way. You can say the teacher was committing lots of mistakes while teaching. I was also very like curious at that time that how they can teach younger children spoken English. So
Yes.
I used to sit beside my daughter and taking the class online. After 2 or 3 days, I was very angry, and I just immediately called to the director of that company. And I like spoke that how that you can say that number one brand of your company or in India, and your teachers are not able to speak in English, right? So how they can teach correct English? And you can do one thing, just return back my money.
Okay.
So the person was, yeah, immediately in the second answer, he said, "Ma'am, can you join my institute for teaching?"
Okay.
Actually, I was looking for a teacher who can teach. I was like nervous that how I'm just talking to him and I'm just complaining him, and immediately he offered me. So he said
Because
that I
the
know, ma'am.
company had not good staff or faculty, so that's why
Yes, yes, yes.
yeah, he
Yes.
offered
He
you.
said that, yeah, he said that, ma'am, I know my teachers are not good, but I charge very less amount, that in this less amount we can't hire a good quality of teacher. So blah blah blah. I said that okay, let me think about it. I took 1 week time for thinking. During that time, I got the many calls from their staff that, ma'am, it is very easy process. I'll give you the curriculum and I'll give you the training also 2 or 3 days. I said okay. So this is
Yes.
how another chance I got to enhance my skills.
Right,
So
because
where I,
yeah, many institute are there, good institute, but they have no good faculty for the communication skills. Now, so this lackness actually it harmful for our children, for our coming generation,
yeah,
right? So
yes,
yeah, faculty have to be good in anyhow, in any company or in any institute. Faculty must be good. That's why, so
yes,
that our children cannot be cheated by anyone or chosen by anyone.
yes.
This is very necessary.
Yeah, this is how I got the another chance in my life to enhance my communication skills. And I have taught around 6 to 7 months in that institute. But that institute from a very you can say small town, so they have a very I don't know. So students are very on a basic level. They don't have even proper internet. So it was very difficult for me to make them understand if they are not able to take the class in a proper way. So it was very difficult. So I left that company, but I got a good exposure. So meanwhile, when I was scrolling on YouTube, I found this kind of conversational video. Especially, I have watched Rajni video, Rajni Verma. At that
Rajni
time,
Verma, yes,
like
yes.
she was, yeah, she was new at that time. So yes, I have seen lots of video of hers, and but I have never got the courage to like create my own channel and start posting the video. Meanwhile, I was
Many
always
times
thinking about my
we
image.
thought that we have to do this, we can do this, but now
Yeah,
like some kind of hesitation, because
yeah,
of hesitation we are not able to go ahead in our journey, but we can do.
yeah,
If we have some, if we have passionate learner, if we have some kind of passion to learn something new things or skills, we can do. But yeah, working hard is the key of success. It is
yes.
natural
Yes.
by
So I
working
was,
hard.
yeah, I'm on Facebook. I'm on Facebook. So like just random on Facebook, I used to post lots of video, you can say, or photos of mine. Whenever I travel anywhere, I used to post the videos and photos. So suddenly my one video went viral. So that gave me lots of motivation on Facebook. So this is
Okay.
how one of my friends suggested me,
Just a
you
minute,
are.
ma'am, please. There is a one,
Yeah,
anyone
yeah.
who knocking the door. Just one.
Oh, fine, fine, no problem.
Okay. So yeah, this is the
Yes, one
this
of
is
my
how.
friend motivated me a lot. Yeah.
Okay, your friend motivate you a lot for this
Yes.
heading this journey.
No,
Yes.
she said that why are you like thinking a lot about YouTube? You are doing good on like Facebook, so you can carry on YouTube also. And because on Facebook we are not getting lots of money, and if you'll do on YouTube, and if your video will work on YouTube well, then you will get a good number of amount also.
So how many
So
subscribers
I
do you
thought,
have
okay,
right now?
more than 1K.
Wow, it is good. And in my case,
Yeah.
there are actually less subscriber because I am consistent on my channel. But at 5 years ago, I started my channel in 2020, I think. Yes, when I have no good consistency over my language or my
Okay.
channel also. So that's why my channel is very old. But again, I started in 2025, so it is it is growing less gradually, but I have 98 subscriber, I think, at present. But gradually it
Okay.
is working properly, it is working. And this is my also, actually this is the scenario with me also. One thing, when I in intermediate class, my friend motivate me, when if you have a good command in any subject, so you have to be go through with the language or math or any kind of subjects. So I said, yeah, I learned, and I liked English subject much, more and more. And my grammar was also good at that time, because I took two or three coachings in my learning career also. When I did master in 2010, I did so well. And at that time my English was also good. But communication is was not good. So after that, I also took some like coaching classes for communication and for speaking. But speaking is another one thing. And if you are not consistent or practice, if you are not practicing regularly at a particular topic, so your fluency could not be raised by according to you. And if you are consistent,
Yes.
or if you practice regularly, so your fluency get increased day by day. You can see
Yeah.
in you can see a lot of changes in your life also. So after that, 2024, I asked from some of my friends that I started my channel, and I started uploading, upload small videos. So how can I work over this all the process, so many tools are there which are new for me for
Yes.
editing, in a channel, go through editing your video, and monetization also your channel. So that's after so many responsive or so many क्या कहते हैं, we can say na, formalities completed. After completed many formalities, you can go
Yes.
through, like a YouTube channel is not easy task for everyone.
It's not
uh,
easy. It's
yeah,
very,
because
and nowadays it's very
hmm,
difficult because
because I
there are
understand.
lots of
Hmm.
crowd is here. Hmm.
So many people are there in competition, this is also becoming a competition now, as a like we can see in a IT sector, or in another field, teaching field also, yeah, make a good YouTuber, becoming a good YouTuber, this is also
Yes.
in a competition field, right? So everybody wants to chase their goals or their dreams, to accomplish your goal every day. So, this kind of working slowly and gradually, I upload my daily views, daily short videos, so that my channel will be grow gradually. So that is the whole journey of my also. So there is a
Yeah,
less,
I did one mistake.
5 minute are
Yeah,
remaining
I
for
did.
wrapping up the session. Yeah, you tell me
Yeah,
something.
definitely. So I would like to say that I did one mistakes only. Like I'm struggling for watch hours. Rest my subscribers are like completed. according to the YouTube algorithm. Actually, I have posted lots of shorts video, but I didn't post long video. Recently, I have started these kind of conversational video.
Oh,
Earlier, I was not doing, and due to some like situations, I was not able to deliver a long content, because when you make a long video, at that time you need lots of editing skills, and I was not up to the editing skills. That's the reason. I know very well, if I have posted lot of like these kind of conversational videos or a long video, definitely it is very easy to complete the watch hours as well. But it's okay. Like whenever you start, that is okay for me. Maybe
yes, yes.
God has a plan, something for me. So
When you
yes,
awake,
now
that is
I'm
the day is
consistent.
started from that
Yeah,
moment. When you awake, the day is started from that moment.
start.
जब जाग जाओ तभी सवेरा
Yeah,
है. That is
definitely. I
true.
agree with you.
Right, right.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
having a session with you, ma'am, I'm very glad and I enjoy a lot. So see you next time whenever we get time.
Yeah, definitely. It was not like that I am talking to some any stranger. I feel that I am talking to someone whom I know from a very long time. So
Okay.
thanks for making me so comfortable in this session. It was really wonderful. Nice talking to you. I hoping for the another session soon with
Okay.
any particular topic
Yes,
which we
yes,
can
of
choose
course.
and we can
I
discuss.
have a lot of topics for discussing people. So definitely we will connect again.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Bye, bye,
Thank you.
ma'am.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.